Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style farmhouse home decor ideas. Let's take a look. Country style farmhouse home decor is all about creating a warm, welcoming and timeless living space that blends rustic charm with practicality. It's inspired by rural farmhouses and country living, where everything feels cozy, natural, and lived in. Here are some practical tips for creating a cozy country-style farmhouse home decor. Use open shelving. In the kitchen, replace some upper cabinets with open shelves. Display mason jars, enamelware, and stick plates for a farmhouse vibe. Choose distressed finishes. Pick furniture with weathered wood or slightly chipped paint. Whitewashed or burnt wood finishes create that lived-in feel. Add farmhouse textiles. Use natural fabrics like cotton, linen, burlap. Layer quilts, plaid blankets, or crochet drawers for warmth and comfort. Decorate with nature, fresh flowers in mason jars or wildflowers in tin buckets. Dried lavender or herbs hanging in the kitchen. Incorporate farmhouse colors. Stick with soft neutrals like white, beige, grey or cream. Add accents of muted blue, chess green or terracotta for charm. Add barn-inspired details. Sliding barn doors for pantries or bedrooms. Barn-style beams or shiplap walls for character. Decorate with baskets. Open baskets can store blankets, firewood, or even kitchen items. They add rustic charm while being practical. Mix patterns. Combine florals, stripes, gingham, and checks in curtains, pillows, or tablecloths. Keep colors muted so it feels harmonious, not busy. Repurpose vintage items. Use old ladders as blanket racks. Turn antique plates into shelves or coffee tables. Farmhouse table setting. Simple ceramic plates, mason jar glasses, and linen napkins. Add a rustic centerpiece like a picture of wildflowers or candles in mason jars. Wall decor ideas. Shiplap or breadboard walls for texture. Vintage signs, botanical prints, or old farmhouse tools as wall art. Cozy fireplaces. If you have a fireplace, style the mantle with candlesticks, lanterns, or greenery garlands. Even an electric stove-style fireplace can bring farmhouse charm. Bring in metal accents, galvanized buckets, iron candle holders, copper pots, or tin wall decor. Farmhouse bathroom touches. Use a vintage wooden stool or ladder for towels. Messenger soap dispensers and enamel trays for toiletries. Create an outdoor farmhouse look. Rocking chairs or a swing on the porch. Rustic lanterns and potted herbs by the entryway. The secret is to mix comfort, practicality, and old world charm, so every space feels inviting and lived in. Window treatments. Go for simple curtains like linen, muslin, or cotton in soft checks or florals. Avoid heavy drapes. Light fabrics keep it airy. Farmhouse wall shelving. Floating wooden shelves with black iron brackets. Display pottery, cookbooks, and small potted plants. DIY chalkboard or notice board. Hang a framed chalkboard in the kitchen for recipes or notes. It adds practicality with farmhouse character. Mix industrial with rustic. Pair rustic wood with black iron or galvanized metal. Play with farmhouse scents. Scented candles, dried lavender or balls of cinnamon sticks. Makes the home smell cozy and inviting. Farmhouse wall clocks, oversized rustic or vintage style clocks, make a great focal point in kitchens or living rooms. Use reclaimed wood accents. A reclaimed wood headboard, coffee table, or shelving adds instant farmhouse charm. Textured walls, shiplap, bedboard, or even fox brick panels add rustic character. Vintage doors and windows. Repurpose old window frames as wall decor. A vintage wooden door can become a sliding barn door or decorative accents. Rustic greenery, olive branches, eucalyptus, or lavender look perfect in pitchers or animal jugs. Beds made of dried twigs or greenery for doors and walls. Cozy corners. Create a reading nook with a slip-covered armchair, light throw blanket, and a small lamp on a wooden side table. Farmhouse flooring. White plank wooden floors or stone tiles work best. Mixed seating style. Combine slip-covered chairs, wooden benches, and even wicker seats around a table for a collected overtime look. Farmhouse mantel decor. Use simple garlands, lanterns, stacked books, or a rustic mirror above the fireplace. Use open storage instead of hiding everything. Display pretty dishes, jars, and baskets. Decorate with signs and words. Vintage wooden signs with simple words like bakery, farm fresh, or gather add charm without overdoing it. Rustic tabletop touches. Place candles in mason jars, wooden bowls with fruit, or fresh flowers in animal pictures. Embrace white and neutral walls. Keep walls light, white, cream, soft beige, so wood furniture and rustic accents stand out. Use ironstone or enamel ware, old-fashioned dishes or enamel jugs make beautiful everyday displays. Farmhouse hallway ideas. Add a narrow wooden console table with a mirror above. Bring in seasonal decor, pumpkins in autumn, pine cones and greenery in winter, wildflowers in spring and herbs in summer. Thanks for watching the video.